Some traditions aren't kept in museums. They live in fingertips, passed down in silence. In rare corners of the world, culture isn't just seen. It's touched, felt, and carried home in the heart. Let's journey to places where ancient hands still shape the future, where tradition breathes in the crafts that refuse to fade. Because when the modern world forgets, these places remember. Fez, Morocco, the copper masters of the Medina. Wander the winding alleys of Fez, and you'll hear it, the rhythmic clang of copper on stone. This is Sepharine Square, where Morocco's last true coppersmiths still hammer their legacy into shining metal. Their tools are simple: fire, muscle, memory. Their hands tell stories machines never will. They make teapots, trays, basins, all shaped from sheets of glowing copper. No automation, no shortcuts. The Medina is a maze of history, and the clangs echo through time, bouncing off walls older than nations. In these workshops, apprentices learn not just skills, but respect for metal, for fire, for silence. Each creation is a keepsake of resistance, a refusal to forget how things were once beautifully made. This isn't just a trade, it's a heartbeat of heritage, passed from father to son, neighbor to neighbor. To watch it is to witness living memory, one forged under heat, pressure, and love for the past. Ubud, Bali, the soul carvers of wood. In the green heart of Bali, Ubud's wood carvers bring mythology to life. Gods and spirits born from trees. The scent of fresh sandalwood fills the air as artisans chip stories into every curve. Their tools haven't changed much in centuries. Neither have their beliefs. Each carving is more than art. It's a prayer, a gesture to the divine, a bridge between worlds. These craftsmen work in silence, letting their ancestors guide the grain. Some pieces take months, their patterns flowing with unseen wisdom and deep patience. Children watch their elders shape animals and deities, and slowly they learn to do the same. Even in the age of mass production, tourists find their way to these small workshops because nothing plastic can replace a story whispered into wood, chiseled with care, and passed through generations. Kyoto, Japan, the quiet fire of kimono weaving. Hidden among the quiet streets of Kyoto, artisans of Nishijin weave time into silk. This is where kimono weaving still lives, slow, sacred, and soul-deep. Each kimono tells a story through silk dyed in plant colors and woven with precision beyond imagination. Some threads are coated in gold, others are dyed with midnight indigo, the kind only nature can give. To weave one pattern might take months. To master one technique, a decade. Artisans work in silence, hands moving like dancers, patient, purposeful, perfect. Many work without recognition, known only to those who understand the language of cloth. They don't chase fame, they preserve identity, not for today's fashion, but for tomorrow's memory. In every stitch is something deeper than design, a sense of honor, of nation, of soul. Here, a garment isn't just worn, it's lived in, the weight of history wrapped in every fold. In a world speeding forward, these places remind us, not everything needs to catch up. Some things are better slow, better handmade, better remembered through calloused hands and quiet rooms. These are the traditions you can still touch, the ones you feel long after the journey ends.